Guys, I'm going to horse camp. Good for you. I know, I'm so excited. It'd be awesome if I had my own horse, you know. Bella, we've already talked about this. We're not gonna get a horse. I know, but it'd be so great. Bella. All right, all right. I'm sure Miss Eileen will loan me a horse to use for horse camp. Good. There's many good horses there that you can ride. I know, it's just not the same. Bella! All right. Horse camp in a few days. Exciting! Yeah, you should. All right, Bella. Today we have one of the hardest jumps. It's big and it's solid. So you gotta trust in Luna and try it. Ready? Canter? You did it! Well done, Bella. That was a very tricky jump and you totally just aced it. You wanna try again? Yes, please. All right, get up and move. Very good, Bella. Very, very good. Give Luna a pat every time she jumps one of those because they're really tricky for her. I think that was a perfectly good lesson for today. You worked hard, so did Luna, and you guys both did wonderful. All right, Bella, I know that you've signed in to be at horse camp, and now it's time to choose the horse that you want to ride in horse camp. Exciting! Yes, it's very exciting. This one here is Raven. He is a thoroughbred Frisian stallion. Cool. All right, this is Indra. She's a Rocky Mountain mare. She's very sweet and gentle. This is Elegance. She is an Andalusian mare. This one is Golden Mountain. She's a saddlebred mare. She's kind of fancy and she thinks she's the prettiest. And last but not least is Carmel. She is a shaggy Arabian mare. Alright, I've got some stalls to clean and stuff, but you can think and hang out here with the horses and get to know them better and decide. And then come let me know what horse you would like for horse camp. Alright, thank you, Miss Eileen. You're welcome. Hi, girl. Eileen was right. You are very calm. You're so sweet. I'll consider you. You're very gorgeous as well. I love your coloration. Hi, Raven. You're a little more feisty, aren't you? You're so sweet. You're cute. And I love how black you are. It's really pretty. Hi, Ella girl. You're a pretty one. You're also feisty, aren't you? Pretty Andalusian. Howdy, Carmel. Hi, Golden Mountain. How are you? Yes, how are you, miss? I think I'll choose you for summer camp. I'll go tell Miss Eileen. Bye. Miss Eileen? Yes? Bella? Hello? How's it going? Very good. This is the last stall. I was just about to come out and check on you. I am doing very good, and so are the horses. I have chosen Raven. He's a feisty one. Yeah, I like his feistiness. I also like his color. Yeah, pretty black. All right, so he's gonna be your horse camp. Horse. Do you want to go get him and bring him up into the stall for me? Oh yes, please. Alrighty. There you go, Raven. A nice clean stall. I will see you for horse camp. Mwah. Bye. Bye, boy. If only they'd let me get Rose before it's too late. Henriette's gonna buy her in 4 days. I guess I'll just keep hoping. Anything is possible, right?